You're watching Mad About Coasters, everybody, and you're joining me in the Q4 Tron LightCycle at the Magic Kingdom in Orlando, Florida. This is my second time riding this ride. As you'll see, I filmed the pre-show on the other part of the queue line back on Saturday, which was the day after we'd arrived. But I unfortunately didn't get to do a on-ride POV for you all, so this is what I'm doing today. And of course enjoying the ride, because this is a phenomenal ride. I'd highly recommend it to any roller coaster enthusiast, or anyone in particular who enjoys roller coasters, really. So futuristic in here and everything. It's just amazing and mind-blowing. Something you've definitely got to see if you come here to Orlando, for sure. So yeah, I'll get an on-ride POV for you for sure today, and and yeah. So I hope you enjoy our ride on Tron today, and I'll speak to you when we come off the ride. So everybody, we're just waiting for our train to come in for Tron LightCycle Run. Looks like we're going to be on the last row today, and that is not actually a light cycle, it's a more upright riding position, I think, unless ours is different on our train, but yeah, so it'll be a different experience to what I had on Saturday, but yeah, taking you along for the ride anyway. And yeah, I'll see you in just about a second. Hi everybody, this is Tron LightCycle here at Magic Kingdom.
Remember, hold on, keep your head up, and face forward.
Let's do this!
3, 2, 1.
Wow, viewers,
and victory for
that was the second time riding this since arriving here, not today, but in the time since we arrived here on holiday, and let me tell you, that was just as phenomenal as the first time and breathtaking. Highly recommended. It's definitely a must-do if you are visiting here, Disney World, Orlando, Florida, Magic Kingdom. Definitely come on this, you won't be disappointed, that's for sure. I'll just fix the camera into a more upright position again. So yeah everybody, that was absolutely phenomenal. That was my second time, and I was actually on the back row this time there, and we did actually get a bike, because they must have one which caters for disabled people, which is a good thing. and then the other train must be all bikes, and we was lucky enough to get a bike, so it was the same experience as we had the other day. And yeah, let me tell you, that was absolutely phenomenal. A must ride if you come here to Magic Kingdom in Orlando, definitely. So we hope you enjoyed our ride there on Tron today. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a like. If you didn't like the video, please give it a dislike. Either way, you're going to help my channel grow massively, and I really appreciate you all, and love you all so much for that, always. Because without you lot, without all you fans and viewers, this wouldn't be possible. My channel, Mad About Coasters. So I am very appreciative of that. To you all for that. And yeah, we're just on our way back to the locker whilst I get my belongings. So now I've got all my belongings, viewers, and we head out of the ride. Yeah, what a fantastic ride that is. And also, if you love things or enjoy things, roller coasters and theme parks, please be sure to hit the subscribe button. I'd really appreciate that, and you'll help the channel further. And also, if you never want to miss another one of my videos, please do remember to hit that bell icon, so every time I upload a new video like that, like this one, you'll be notified. So yeah, and this is a LightCycle. It's the Mark 5. Yeah, the Mark 5 LightCycle. As you can see there, it says displaying the most sophisticated digital technology to anticipate user needs in real time. The Mark 5 is one of the most responsive and powerful vehicles competing in the LightCycle Run, and it's presented by Enterprise, the rental company. So yeah, I'll just show you around here actually whilst we're here. Yeah, looks very futuristic, as you'll agree. And that's Team Green, this one. Yeah, very impressive indeed. So yeah, thank you once again for watching, very, very much. I love you all always. This is Mad About Coasters, and I'm Chris, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.